Hi everybody, Fiona McEntee here, immigration attorney, coming to you from my office in Chicago. Slightly different scenery behind me today. I have been getting a lot of questions about the travel ban and what's going to happen when Biden becomes president. So I just thought I'd offer a few thoughts on that. So people want to know what happens with these travel bans. Is it something that can Biden just cancel them straight away, or what would that look like? And the answer to that is that yes, Biden, president, when he's president, he can rescind those travel bans. So the travel bans were done via a mechanism known as a presidential proclamation. And for a new president to come in, it is pretty easy for them to cancel a previous presidential proclamation. So for Biden to do that, he would just have to find that denying the entry of immigrants in those certain categories to the US, so denying their entry, is no longer detrimental to the interest of the United States. So will he do that? That's another question that we obviously don't know the answer to. There are 3 different travel bans that are in play at the moment. There is the ban, the COVID travel ban, which is a country-specific one. So for people in Ireland, the UK, Schengen, China, some other countries. That's the COVID travel ban. Then there is there's a ban on the issuance of new visas, H1Bs, J1s, L1s, H2Bs. And then there's the green card ban abroad. So the issuance of new immigrant visas or green cards to people abroad. So will Biden rescind or cancel those bans? We're not sure. Obviously, we don't know exactly what's going to happen. We have heard, we're looking at the data, and the data does not support the fact that immigrants coming in these categories, like in the temporary visas or the green cards, are stealing jobs, like the Trump administration had said, therefore it'd be detrimental to the labour market. In fact, the reports are showing that actually there's still a lot of employers seeking workers in those, especially in skilled categories, in computer, IT, tech-related positions. So for Biden soon to be President Biden, to cancel the travel bans, he would just have to find that it's no longer detrimental to the interests of the US to deny entry for those immigrants to come in. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. This is different to the DACA and other programs that had to be terminated in a certain way by going through certain procedures and notice and comment and law. So is different, and it's much easier for a new administration to rescind one of these presidential proclamations. So we just have to wait and see what happens. But finally, I just want people to know, that I'm an immigrant myself. I was a visa holder. Now I'm a naturalized US citizen, but I have family abroad, and I know and feel the pain of these proclamations, of these bans, and I know how hurtful it is and how much harm they're causing, the separation. So I want people to know that I do feel your pain, and also that there is a whole host of, there's an amazing group of us immigration attorneys that are really fighting hard for our clients, and we're looking forward to hopefully dealing with a more, with an administration that just thinks about immigration in different ways. So hopefully we'll have some positive news to share. Stay tuned. Please follow us on whatever channel you're watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notice of some of these new videos. And most of all, stay safe.